Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on explaining and printing charts. In this video, we will explain each chart and show you how to create a PDF of the chart or print it. Once in your site, click on the Reports tab on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on Select Chart and the list of 5 charts will appear. Firstly, click on Risk Pie and then click Go. A PDF of the risk pie will appear. This chart shows your total tree inventory by risk, with the total number of trees assessed in brackets. The risk categories are listed at the bottom of the chart and include critical, urgent, high, medium, low, very low, negligible, and not risk assessed. The pie chart is a breakdown of which categories your trees fall into, with each section showing the number of trees and the percentage this is of the total tree inventory. From here, you can save a PDF of the chart by clicking on File and clicking Save As and placing the file in the allocated position on your computer. Or you can print the chart by clicking File and clicking Print. To exit the ArborSafe window, simply click on the X. And we can return to our site. To see the next chart, click on the Chart field and the list of charts will appear again. Click on Age Pie and then click Go. This chart shows the age or life cycle of all your trees on site, with the total number of trees in brackets. The age categories are listed at the bottom of the chart and include young, juvenile, semi-mature, mature, and senescent. The chart has a breakdown of which categories your trees on site fall into, giving the number of trees and the percentage for each section. To view the next chart, go to Chart field and then click on Life Expectancy Pie and then click Go. This chart shows us the useful life expectancy of all your trees on site, the total number of trees in brackets here. Useful life expectancy, or ULE, refers to the expected period of time the tree can be retained within the landscape before its amenity value declines to a point where it may detract from the appearance of the landscape or potentially becomes a hazard to people and property. The ULE categories are listed at the bottom of the chart and they include 0, less than 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 to 15 years, 15 to 20 years, 25 to 50 years, and over 50 years. Again, each section lists the number of trees and the percentage of the total tree inventory. This chart is very useful for maintaining an ongoing treescape on your site, as if you have too many trees in the lower categories, such as those up to 10 to 15 years, you may want to look at replanting strategies to replace trees as they reach the end of their useful life. Let's view the next chart. So click on the chart drop-down and we'll click on the budget pie and again click Go. This chart shows the estimated expenditure by risk for all those trees recommended to have remedial works carried out on them. The number of trees requiring works is shown in brackets here. Note this is usually not the total number of trees on site. The risk categories are shown at the bottom of the page and include critical, urgent, high risk, medium, low, very low, negligible, and not risk assessed. Each section of the pie lists the costs estimated by our consulting arborists to complete the works in that category and the number of trees to be worked on. This chart is excellent for planning your forward budgeting and can be used as a management tool when funds need to be allocated for tree works on your site. ArborSafe recommends beginning with works in your highest risk categories first and then working down from there. The last chart is the tree works by risk. So click here and again click Go. This chart shows you the number of trees needing remedial works in each risk category. Again, the risk categories are listed at the bottom of the chart. Each section of the pie lists the number of trees and the percentage of the overall site. As shown in the first chart explanation, you can save as a PDF or print any of the charts. And when you're finished working with your charts, simply click here and close down to return to your site view. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email shown on the screen.